Here's a demo of the Tiller Tools Amazon order import utility that I wrote. This is not affiliated with Tiller, by the way. It's just a utility that I wrote to help me with my Tiller financial tracking spreadsheet. You click Tiller Tools, or once you get it in the extensions library on Google, it'll come on down here. But right now you click Tiller Tools, Tiller Amazon Import, and that brings up the Amazon Import sidebar. Click here to select your zip file that you requested from Amazon. Here's my latest one. I click the next button and it reads the contents, and I check off which order types I want to include, how far back I want to look. We won't import any duplicates, but you can look as far back as you want. The offsets, what category to use for them to avoid double counting and reporting. And finally, checking for new payment methods. In case you've added a new credit card to Amazon, it'll detect it and prompt you to make that mapping available in Tiller. We're not going to worry about that right now. Click the import button and it starts working away. There are 4 different CSV files to import. My main one has over 5,000 transactions. The digital one has around 2,500. The returns aren't so many. So it can take up to 70 or 80 seconds to do all 4 files. It has to read each file and look for duplicates on the main transaction sheet and make a list of what to import, and then it moves on to the next file. So we'll just wait. It's finished the second one, third one, fourth one. Looks like it found 29 new regular transactions. And now it's inserting them into the spreadsheet, into the transaction sheet, and then applying a filter so that we're only looking at the new transactions. If you want to undo this operation, you just have to select these newly inserted rows and hit delete, and you should be back to where you started. Thanks for watching.